Today I'm going to show how to make this 3D perspective text with reflection effect using Canva. Open canva.com, click on create and select YouTube thumbnail as resolution size. And then upload the image and drag it to the editor. Make the image as background by dragging it out. Add new page, change the background color to black and then click on text box and add the text and make it to bigger and bold. And change the font type to Anton. And then download with transparent background. And now this is the important step. Go to apps and type transform image in search box and select this app. Upload the text image and arrange the image in this direction. And add to the design. And then place in slant direction across the water by dragging the image. Duplicate the text image and then click on flip vertically and place it aside. And then go to elements and type shadow and select this shadow and place it under original text image and make it small to match to text. And then go to layers, push this behind the island text. And place flipped image right under the original text for shadow effect. If you cannot place properly with cursor, use arrow keys in the keyboard. Select the shadow text image and click on edit. Go to apps and select liquify app and select melt style and reduce melt style to 0.54 and melt amount to 0.28. And save the changes. And the final step is reduce the transparency to 43. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this design, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for more creative videos just like this one. Thank you so much.